The Road Trip United 2021 is one of the greatest road trips undertaken in India that not only involves uniting machines like the Thar and the world's fastest and largest motorcycles, but also thousands of motorcyclists offline and millions more online. All the photos and videos that you see have been edited on the go on Legion laptops. Nothing can beat the mountains, nothing can beat the scent of fresh air. मैं यहीं पे बैठ के सनसेट तक यहीं बैठना चाहता हूँ और फोटो एडिट पे एडिट, व्लॉग पे एडिट करना चाहता हूँ इस लैपटॉप पे। I'm a gadget freak. मैं एक ऐसे लैपटॉप को सर्च कर रहा था जो बहुत पोर्टेबल हो, स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, गुड लुकिंग हो। बिकॉज लैपटॉप नहीं होता तो मैं चाहे जितनी भी अच्छी फोटोज खींच लूँ, वीडियोस बना लूँ, उसको एडिट करके वी कैन नॉट शेयर इट विद द वर्ल्ड। एंड ट्रस्ट मी दैट ये वाला जो लैपटॉप है, दिस इज द फास्टेस्ट लैपटॉप अभी तक जो मेरा है। Here the Legion 7 is an absolute wonder. It's not only wonderful in terms of performance, but it's also wonderful to look at. The way they have integrated lights, I just love it, especially because I love playing with lights. And also in my motor cave, I have such kind of lighting which is basically you call it RGB lighting. The Legion ecosystem also consists of fantastic input devices, some really good keyboards and mouse. In fact, I have been using Lenovo ThinkVision curved 44-inch monitors since a long time. And I recently added the ThinkVision M14T mobile USB-C touchscreen ultra light monitor, which gave me some serious extra real estate screen space for editing videos in Premiere on the go in hotels without actually adding much weight at all. The Lenovo 2TB hard disks were also in my bag all the time for backing up my data. I was a graphic designer when I started. I make all the Exhibition magazine, print magazine covers, and I like to sometimes go overboard with my edits in Premiere with the videos. I also do a lot of graphic designing still. And I'm not saying because I'm part of Team Legion now, but I'm saying because this really has blown off the points as far as Cinebench R20 is concerned, with almost 3,900 points. I think it's touching 4,000. ये जो score है, it's almost touching desktop class. Content creation के लिए this is an amazing laptop. On the go भी vlogs upload मार रहा हूँ, ये सब कर रहा हूँ. Just cuts down the time, on the road. Extremely good hardware and software integration. This one is a 15-inch version. It's got a 2080 RTX, the 10th generation i7 super quick, just like the H2. So this machine is my favorite till now as far as laptops are concerned. The road trip spanned from Delhi to Kolkata and down towards south from Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Kanyakumari. From there, we went back up passing through Chennai, the Nilgiris, the beautiful west coast and into Maharashtra, Rajasthan and finally back to Delhi for a total of 10,000 kilometers. All digitized on Lenovo Legion laptops.